How to share YouTube videos on Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our YouTube application. Then choose any video that you would like to add to your Instagram story. Then tap on share. Then tap on copy link. Now as we have copied the link, let's go ahead and open our Instagram. Then tap on your story in order to add a story. It will open up your gallery section. From here, you can also tap onto camera and just click a blank picture. Now once you're done, tap on this sticker icon. Here you will see a link option. Tap on link and paste the link that you have copied. Then tap on done. If you tap on this YouTube, it will ask you to visit the link. And once it is so, you will land onto the YouTube video that you just copied the link from. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.